Hoy, ano ka ba? Marunong ka bang magmaneho? Ha? Hindi mo ba nakita yung red light?
Red light?
Oh, red light.
Are you colorblind? Maybe you should try driving with your sunglasses off. Because as far as I can see, that light is green.
Green? Ngayon lang nag-green yan eh.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me. You have no right.
Anong right? Eh, you bangs my jeep eh.
What? What bangs?
You bangga my jeep.
What?
Don't what me, ha?
Oh my God, this guy is impossible. Isn't there anyone around here who can help me?
What?
Anong gulo yan, ha?
Jeep, yan o. Bilangga yung jeep ko.
Oh, may bangga nga.
Look, officer, this man has been harassing me. He stopped on the green light. Who stops on a green light? Nobody stops on a green light.
Anong green? Red eh.
Mabuti pa, sa presinto na tayo mag-usap.
Mabuti pa nga. At Chip, dito kayo sumakay. Baka tumakas pa ito eh.
What?
What?
Sige na nga.